at my program. Nobody attended my program. Nobody turned up in my program. Eh? What? Eh? I spent millions, thousands of naira. I printed commentary card, flyers, banners, ID card, leaflets. In fact, I printed all sorts of invitations just to invite them to my program. And look at nobody turned up in my program. Look at my church. Is it not beautiful? Look at me. Am I not beautiful? Nobody turned up. Okay, wait. I can see the devil in them. They have started manipulating. They want me to come to their house to carry them. It's not possible.
Man of God, we were passing by, we hear your voice. What is the problem?
The problem is, wait, excuse me, are you my member or you are just passing by?
I'm a pastor.
You are a pastor like me?
Of course.
Let me, no, I'm not sitting down. I organized a program and nobody turned up. I spent millions, series of thousands of naira.
What did you spend thousands to do?
I spent it in printing my banners, leaflets, my commentary, what was it called? Things I needed for my programs.
If I may ask, where did you print?
I went to one of all these roadside media and printed what I want.
Those roadside quack printers. Pastor, do you hear what he's saying? They don't know how to print.
My friend, you are not a pastor.
No, don't tell me you are beautiful or your church is beautiful. Your church is beautiful and no standard place to print.
My friend, you have done nothing. All pastors now, they know where and when to print. If it is not OCN print, you have not done anything. My friend, what do they print on? You have a car. I know you have a car. They can also print on your cars, print on your lorries, print on your trailers.
Don't worry, thanks for all this information you have given me. OCN print, yeah, I what? Come.
We have shown him the way. Now, do you know what? We are good citizens. If we are not, we will not have shown him the way. My friend, I'm going.
Pastor,
I'm going.
OCN print, the best quality, affordable price, best things in fact, go there and do your printing.